Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install WhatsApp to your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, what you need to do, you just need to go on your search bar and you just need to type store. Right now you can find Microsoft Store, just open it. Select on the top search option and type here WhatsApp. Right now you can find WhatsApp, just open it. Right now there have an option, so you just need to click on here. Right now here you can see downloading already started, so you just need to wait for complete 100% downloading. So here you can see WhatsApp already downloaded. Here is showing open, so you can open it, open WhatsApp from here. Otherwise you can minimize it, just go to Windows icon, and if you just scroll down from here, if you don't find here, just go to search bar and type WhatsApp. So here you can see it's showing WhatsApp app, just open it. So right now you can easily connect it to your computer with your WhatsApp ID. So that's it guys. In this way you can very easily download and install WhatsApp to your PC. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.